It's Technology Laura, and today I'm going to talk to you about one of my favorite EdTech tools, Factile. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to sign up for free, and then after that, you go ahead and click sign in. And so some of my favorite features are the accessibility to a bunch of pre-made templates, and then also the ability as a teacher to create your own. So the first thing I want to do is show you how to create. So you click on the left-hand side, the create button, and in this demonstration, I'm just going to type Spanish colors and hit create. Next, you're going to see the Jeopardy style template for you. So for the category, I can just type colors, and then for 100, in this case, I'm just going to type the English word with the Spanish word below. There are other options for you to import an image, upload a video, and enter an equation, which might be awesome for mathematics teachers, and then upload a sound. But for this case, I'm just going to show you how to import the text, and I like to do English to Spanish and Spanish to English. So once that's ready, I hit save. Another feature I really like is the Auto Zen. And so I'm pointing that out because that is linked to AI. And so you click there. And then for the topic, again, I'm staying with the Spanish colors. And I want Factile to give me 4 questions that potentially I could use for this Jeopardy. So I go ahead and click generate. Once I'm there, I can click on the 200. And then I want to import this question since I like it. So I click on 200. What color is azul? Blue. So I like that. And then for 300, I would put what color is verde. And then for 400, amarillo, and so on. So I really like that because I think that it allows you to quickly import questions if you're running on time, and that's really an awesome feature. So for 500, I can import a question that I just want to use. So in this case, I'll type gold, and then that is the correct answer. And so I hit save. So another feature I really like and I think is important is the preview feature. So what that allows you as the teacher is to make sure that all your questions are correct, all the answers look good, and then you have assigned the correct point value depending on the question type. So let's just go ahead and make sure that this looks okay. So for 100, I would click red, see answer, rojo, correct, and then so on. So you just want to make sure that all your questions and answers look okay. All right, now another feature that I really like is the ability for you to play the game, obviously live, and I'm going to show you what that looks like for me and my students for the buzzer mode. So I would hit play game, and we're going to play the Factile Jeopardy style. For this, you can do as many teams as students, or you could divide your students up depending on tables. So there's a lot of different ways to do that. For this case, we'll just do one because it's just me playing. So there's the team, and then I can use your device or phone, whatever's easiest. In this case, I'll just do my phone. So I scan the QR code, which is awesome, which will send me right to playfactile.com, and then I just import the code, which is unique to this game. And then you have these awesome little avatars. So I'm going to pick potato, and then you can see me. So I'll just write my name quickly, and then I hit begin game. So this is what I love. So we hit begin, and then for 100, really gets my students excited. And then I'm going to buzz in, and then my teacher would call on me. So I would say rojo, and that is correct. And then I give Laura. As you can imagine, students really love to do that just because it's so engaging. You get these cute little avatars, which some of them are potatoes, vegetables, foods, sharks, dolphins, etc. And I think that really helps students stay competitive within the classroom. Another tool that I think is important with Factile is that you can give your students individualized whiteboards and markers, and then as they're buzzing in with their own device or on Teams, and then they can write the answer, and there's a quick check for understanding. So overall, I'm just really happy with Factile. I think it's great for check for understanding and for you to be able to engage your students at all levels. And there's awesome games that you can already find that are pre-made. So